Alright, now this is where things get very, very, very confusing. So, we've got our light assembly here, so our switch here. Obviously off, low beam, high beam. Okay, and the horn as well. So, from your main harness, so from the harness here, this one that's running up to the front of the bike, splits into a Y section, okay? From that Y section, you will have a male end. From that Y, you'll have a male end onto here. That goes into, okay, because it can only go in one way. You have a red, yellow from your harness into a red and white, okay? That gives you power to your light switch. And then off your light switch, you've got 3 wires coming off that with a male end on that. Colours being yellow, green, and 2 blacks. Okay, so that clicks in you've got, this little box here. That's what that connects into. And then with the second black one is just an earth. So that is fed from your main harness again. Okay, so that black one there'll be 3, with those female ends on them. There's 3 of them. So the black is the earth, your red and yellow is for your horn. They go straight onto your horn. Now, this looks like, it does look like a clusterfuck, but it all does work. You got 3 wires, red wires coming out of your headlight. Okay, pretty much follow. The left wire, put that onto the left-hand side of the plug, same as the top, and the right-hand side. And then that will give you your low beam, high beam. These are just heat shrink guards. So once you've got them on, slide them down, get a lighter, heat them up. As far as your LEDs go, now these are just, you can see, just sort of loose wires. To get them working, you need to do as follows. Yamaha say that they are only meant to work on high beam. If you want them to work on high beam, off your box you have yellow and black. Put your red wires into the yellow and your black wires into the black. That will only work your LEDs on high beam. If you want them to work on low beam, which is what I'm doing, on the top one, the top plug, which is the green, okay, just slide your 2 ends down into the clip, and then slide the clip from the headlight in, so that'll hold them in firmly. And what I've done is I've just actually cut this black one off, which I probably didn't have to. I probably could slide it in. I might do that actually. We'll put it in. So these 2 black ones are going to slide down into here. Okay, both of them. Into the left-hand side of the clip. And then that way your LEDs will be on when your low beam is on. And then that will leave you these 2, which obviously they're for your high beam and you will not use. This little light here, this little plug, it's for a light. If you can see it up here, there's no actual clip on the actual bike harness itself for that, so I'm not going to worry about it because I've got my low beam and high beam out of the one headlight. Okay, so now that I've done that, so my 2 positive LED lights into the green and my 2 black from the LED lights into the earth, so the black again. So I'm just going to recap on this just to help you out. Your light switch, so as you see, hard to see here, you got 1, 2, 3 wires, pretty much match identical into this black box here. The 2 extra yellow and black ones, not used. Same as that clip there for the other headlight, not used. Come out of your switch, come down, splits into your Y. we'll take the red and white into your harness, okay? It goes into your harness, that feeds it constant power, or when the bike's running, feeds power to your switch. Okay, follow the other Y piece off that harness. It comes into 3 wires, yellow, green, black, with 2 blacks. That clips into your headlight cluster, and the other earth goes into your harness. Coming out of your harness where the Y piece is, obviously your yellow and red to your horn. And that is pretty much it. Now it's just a matter of tidying everything up and putting the bike back together. Okay, just quickly, I've noticed where I've mounted my horn, just on the side. As you can see, it hits a triple clamp. So all I'm going to do is loosen that bolt, flip it upside down, and have it down here.